Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about service targets stuck in build in progress status. So let's check what things we can check in AR system server group operation ranking form. In operation ranking form, we define the different server details to run on particular component. For example, I want to run administrator on particular rank server as a rank 1, other server as a rank 2. Similarly, for SLM, we have business rule engine component, and we have to define the same server as a rank 1 that we define in administrator server. If this configuration is not correct, then the particular service targets are stuck in build in progress. You see the record stuck in application pending form. Into the ar.cfg file. In ar.cfg file, you will find this component business rule engine suspended. If false on the primary servers, if it is a single server, it should always be false, and all the secondary servers that were defined in operation ranking form, it should be true. Similarly, on a primary server or in all the servers, this particular slmbr svc command should be uncommented so that it always runs and you will not see the issues with stuck service targets. The process that we have seen in ar.cfg can be found in under the slm service layer management folder bin. This can be located here, so it should be available to process the service targets. There have been issues identified when we run this particular slmbr svc manually, which I find some issues related to the msvcr71.dll missing file. So where we can see that file, we have to go to the Windows syswow64, and here we have to find with msvcr71.dll file. It is primarily available in this folder. Now I have logged into the system, and currently I don't have any service target created. Also, when I check in the application pending form, if I search with BRI, I don't find any record here. Also, if I go to the developer studio and if I search with SLM to find any filters, I don't find any filters as of now. So I'm going to create a new service target for now to show you this example. To demonstrate this issue, I have commented the slmbr svc file from the server and restarted the services so that that particular process is not running on the server. If I go to the task manager, I could not find that particular slmbr svc command running on the server. Okay, I'll create a new service target. I use resolution, incident resolution type, maybe use priority low. Next, maybe use 2 hours. Give start when and stop when condition. Next, finish. Yes, I want to build this. Now I'll go back to the service target table. Now you can see now this is stuck in build in progress. Okay, I'll go back to the application pending and I'll search. So you'll see there are 2 records created for the create rule. So this means now we are able to reproduce this issue. Also, if I go to the Dev Studio, I don't find any SLM measurement related or the service target related filters. Now I am going to uncomment this particular process from AR monitor file, save this process, and I'm going to restart the AR services. So this will take time. Now the services has started. I will go in task manager again. If the records are processed, okay, now you can see those records are processed, and we'll check in the service targets again. Now it shows build successful, and also if I go back to the Dev Studio, let me open this again. Now you could see 603 service target is created, which is the same with the ID here. Thank you.